Hi, I'll talk now about vectors and operations on vectors and what is the definition of the vector. You need to be careful about the difference between a vector and a scalar. Look at the PowerPoint file. It is important, contains important information. And for example, if we have two vectors A and B now, and we need to find some properties of these vectors. Okay, A is 3 positive in I direction, plus 4 in J direction. B is 2 I minus 3J. If we need to find the length of A, it is simply by using the Horion Theorem, which is ax squared plus ay squared. I simply can find it like this. You can see it is 3 square plus 4 square under the square root or up to, which is 5. Simply we can know that it is equal to 5, the length of A. The length of B, it is 2 square plus 3 square, which is 4. 2 square plus minus 3 square. Be careful about the minus. It is the square root of 9, 4, square root of 13, 13 up. It is 3.6. What about the direction of A? You can see here in this graph. You can download this page and you can see this is A. What is theta? Theta A. And this is theta B. We need to find theta B. You can find theta B by going to the right or clockwise, or by going counterclockwise. It's the same. Okay, what is tan inverse of 4 over 3? Tan inverse of 4 over 3. Be careful, you need your degrees in your angles in degrees. So this is 53.13 almost degree. What about this? It is tan inverse to negative 3 over 2. This is negative 3 over 2, which is negative 56.3 degrees. Or if you do this process, it will be plus 360. I'm sorry, plus 360. Yes, it is equal to 303.69 degrees if we go counterclockwise. Now operations on vectors. If we need to multiply A by a number, 3A. 3A means that A will stay in the resultant vector will stay in the same direction. We will see that it is 3 multiplied by the components of A. 3I plus 4J. It will be 3 by 3. It is 9I plus 12J simply. What about 2B? 2. It is 4I minus 6J. Okay. It is the same vector as A, but its length is 3 times. So this is the resultant vector. This is the resultant vector for B, or 2B. This is 2B. What if we need to add two vectors together? A plus B, or 3A, which is this one, plus 2B. We found them. We need to add the I direction together and the J direction together, or X, which is 9 plus 4, which is 13. I had positive 12, negative 6, which is plus 6J. This is the resultant vector. And by drawing, I draw it just to show you how to represent A and B. And that's a little bit about vectors and operations in vectors.